Hi everyone, we're going to dive into Unit 4 now. In Unit 4, we are learning about learning-focused instruction, and through these different lessons, we're going to be learning about some different things, tools that you can utilize to enhance your differentiated instruction, both remotely and in person. So the three things that we're going to learn about in this unit would be Kami, interactive Google Slides, and Flipgrid. I am currently utilizing Flipgrid at the moment to just give you a couple little ideas that you can do within Flipgrid. There's many more things that you can do with this. So one of the things that I've done here when I've created my grid, and you will have to start a Flipgrid account before you can do these things as well. I have asked my students to submit a video response back from a question that I posed. What do you miss most about school? So you can see here I have one response back. So that's one way that you can utilize Flipgrid within your classroom. Another thing that I've done to show you up here is you can link in a Kahoot. So I know several of you already are familiar with Kahoot and do it in your classroom to review items for tests or just for fun, just challenge each other. You could also add these in for remote quizzes, however you want to use it, and just set up a time frame so they can do it at their own pace and just do it remotely that way. So they can just click right in that, and it takes them to their Kahoot. They can start their quiz from there. Choose that, and of course you'll get that information back. And so those are just a couple things you can do within Kahoot. I hope you have a good time exploring this with your exit ticket at the end of this lesson or end of this unit. And good luck with Unit 4.